This is an S2000 that I'm tuning today. It's got a AM Infinity with full flex fuel, stock motor. Let's see how much flex content we got. Let's get it more boost, see what she does. CD09 transmission. Yeah, it's because it's got a big fan. Bam. Got exhaust up. It's got a lot of air bubbles because it needed bleeded, huh? I know, but it's craziness. I could just let it cool down each pull. That way we can just bleed it after and be good. Look at the power on this thing. So this is a stock block, 690 horsepower. I tuned this motor. Hey, how long ago did we tune this car? Was it like, how long ago did I remotely tune this car?
Like 3 weeks ago?
Oh no! When I tuned it a long time ago, when I had a stock motor. How long ago was that?
4 years ago.
Fuck.
4 or 5 years.
Shit.
4 or 5 years maybe.
Yeah, and it made what, 577 last time?
Yeah. And that's like 3 years ago.
Fuck. Okay.
5, 7, 7 years.
Didn't they say this motor was bad or something?
That's what the lady said.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
He's trying to make money off his ass.
It's the same thing. Some guy came in with the RSX the other day, and he's like, yeah, I want to turbo it, but he's like, I have to wait till I build the motor to make like 450 on a K20 Z1. I'm like, he's like, yeah, that guy told me, he's like, he was gonna go drop off $4,000 to the guy that same day after I tuned him to build him a K24, and I was like, don't do it. I'm like, don't touch the motor, leave it stock. It'll handle whatever you want.
400 only?
Yeah, like you're not gonna do anything.
Damn.
This is cool.
Yeah.
All right. How much more do you want to turn it up to?
Okay, 6 pounds.
6 more pounds? No, that's gonna be way too much.
25 is cool with me.
2 more pounds. You'll do it there.
Hey, how's it driving with the exhaust on the side?
Fucking loud. I get some money and do it.
Really?
I don't like it this way.
This is a real CR too.
Fence over there, 1502. That's the whole thing.
So we're done with the S2000 24 PSI boost right there. We got a little bit of fuel left still. So we're looking really good. Bam. Look at that power. 717 to the wheels. How much was the torque? Okay, torque was 473. We remove red. There we go. Clean graph. 100% stock block. Oh. Just gonna be a beast. That's good enough for now. We'll go for 800 next time. 800. Hit it.